Your next question is example 3. To find the width of the river, a man observes the top of a tower on opposite bank making an angle of 61 degree. When he moves 50 meter backward from the bank, he observes the same top of the tower. His line of vision makes an angle of elevation of 35 degree. Find the height of the tower and width of the river. Now required values are given to you from the log table, that is tan 61 degree is 1.8 and tan 35 degree is 0.7. You have to use this value while solving this question. So observe, AB shows the tower on the opposite bank. A is the top of the tower and BC shows the width of the river. Let h be the height of the tower and x be the width of the river. So tan 61 degree is h upon x. Tan ratio is opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is AB and adjacent is BC. So it is h upon x. Substitute the value tan 61, it is given 1.8 is equal to h upon x. So h is equal to 1.8 into x. Simple cross multiplication. To remove the decimal, multiply by 10. In right angle triangle ABD, observe tan 35 degree, this angle is 35, is opposite upon adjacent. So tan 35 is 0.7 h upon x plus 50. Simplify this cross multiplication. Multiply by 10 if required to remove the decimal so that calculations are easy. Observe equation 1 and 2. 18x is equal to 7 into x plus 50 because both values represent 10h. So equate it. You have x is equal to 350 by 11, that is 31.82. So value of h is 1.8 into x. So it is 57.82, 57.28 meter. So width of the river is 31.82 meter and value of h you have 57.28 meter. Study the next example. Example 4. Roshni saw an eagle on the top of a tree at an angle of elevation of 61 degree. While she was standing at the door of her house, she went on the terrace of the house so that she could see it clearly. The terrace was at a height of 4 meter. While observing the eagle from there, the angle of elevation was 52 degree. At what height from the ground was the eagle? Now observe. Condition is given. Find the answer. Correct up to nearest integer. So required values are given. Then we'll study the diagram. So tan 61 degree is given directly. Tan 52 degree, tan 29 degree and tan 38 degree. This is given. Now observe the figure 6.12 which is shown over here. PQ is the house. PQ is the house. See, building perpendicular to the ground. So this angle is 90 degree. SR is the tree. Eagle is at position R, at point R. Draw QT, observe, perpendicular to RS. Then observe quadrilateral TSPQ is a rectangle. We have drawn it perpendicular. This is 90. Tree perpendicular to the ground, so it is 90. Building perpendicular to the ground, so P is 90. And fourth angle of the quadrilateral is also 90, that is angle TQP. So this is rectangle. SP is X. SP is X and therefore here TQ is also X, opposite sides of quadrilateral rectangle. RT is Y. Now consider triangle RSP. Observe triangle RSP. In this, angle R is given as, observe, 90 minus 61 degree because this angle is given as 61 degree from where that eagle is observed, from point P. Observe. Roshni saw an eagle on the top of a tree at an angle of elevation 61 degree. So eagle is at position R. This angle is 61 degree. From point P it is observed. So this angle SRP is 180 minus 90 minus 61. So this angle is 29 degrees. Okay. Then observe angle QRT. QRT. From the top that eagle is observed at 52 degrees.